Hi guys, before I get into my normal intro, I want to show you something really cool, really quick. It'll all make sense in just a moment. Who makes the best photo booth software? Of course, that's Darkroom. Hi guys, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. I hope you liked that quick little intro. What we're talking about here is using a keyword or an audible trigger to start a session in Darkroom Booth. So it's really easy to set up. If you go to your controls, you have this option right down here. Voice session can be started by voice activation. You click on that little guy right there, and so what happens is your computer starts listening to you, and it will start picking up words that you're saying, and then you just select that word from this heard list. And let me see if I can. You can see that it can hear me talking, and you would just select this text and then add it as a command and select add as start command. And you can see I've added Darkroom right here. Nice thing is you can use this option to help promote your business or maybe a customer's business as we start rolling out of this craziness that we find ourselves in these days. And the best thing about it is it's touchless. There's no reason for anybody to have to touch the screen, and hopefully that helps prevent the spread of germs and viruses. And just maybe it'll help keep you and your customers just a little bit more safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Hi, it's me again. If this video has been helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos just like this one. And if we've earned it, please consider subscribing. This lets us know people are out there watching our videos, and it's making their job and their life just a little bit easier. Please consider subscribing right over here.